Good morning, y'all. We're in Toronto. So we're only here for the weekend, but we're gonna go out and explore the city. We're looking to go get breakfast, go visit the CN Tower, maybe a museum, and kind of like go shopping and just walk around. We don't have a lot of time here and it's getting kind of later in the day, but we want to see as much as we can for the limited amount of time we're here. So come with us.
Is this a video?
Yes. Vana. Vana. Hey y'all, it is many hours later. We did some shopping. We went to the CN Tower. We went to Ripley's aquarium something. It was a lot of fun. We didn't really eat a lot, so we only literally had like that little tiny smoothie cup. So we're gonna actually go back out and find some food. We kind of want to try a lot of stuff and do some more shopping. Hey y'all, so we just got back from doing some shopping and eating. We went to this eatery center, so there were like a tons of different restaurants there. And we were super excited because we didn't know what we wanted to eat. And there were so many different options, so yeah, we were excited about it. We tried this food from this Indian restaurant, which was good. I think it was just okay. It could have been a little bit better, but it was fine for what it was. And then we also ended up getting sushi bowls from this Japanese restaurant, which were banging. We did some more shopping and walked around a ton. We almost hit 18K steps today, which is great. So yeah, I think we might just chill for the rest of the night because we're like really tired. So we'll probably just like wash up, try a bunch of these crazy snacks that we end up getting. They all look so good. I'm so excited to try them. And probably like watch a movie or something. Like it's still kind of early, so we may change our minds, but as of right now, we are exhausted. Like, that was a lot of walking. It kind of felt like we were walking again in Japan. Like, it was a lot of walking, but a lot of fun too. So we're really enjoying Toronto. Um, it kind of feels like a less moodier New York City, but much cleaner. Hi guys, it's day 2.5-ish. We're actually leaving Toronto today, but we're gonna go out, grab some breakfast, carry all of our stuff to the car and check out, and then we're gonna go check out a local grocery shop. So we're like those type of people who like looking at grocery stores when we go to places, right? Shop. Yeah.